Our first winner take all event racing just is started. We have on your knees break weekly or start moving up on the outside best set. Then Dance Rose in the middle. Daredevil comes next. Go safety go Wild Wind and on the outside is Portable. Sudden Burst comes next, then followed over by Bumpy Road. Next on line now is Pen Pen. Desara Pen, while Tejas Best is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have entry number 10, Best Asset, Link and Ihapa. Moving up now on the outside is then Dance Roads. In the little portion comes entry number 5, and this one is Wild Wind. Go, safety go. Next on line is On Your Knees. Daredevil, then followed over by 6A, and this one is Portable. Alongside comes Pen Pen. Desara Pen, then next online now is Bumpy Road. Southern Burst, while Tejas Best is still racing in 11th. Another part turn with Best Asset once again takes command by about 3 lengths. Then Dance Rose in second. Moving up now is Portable together with Pen Pen. Desara Pen as they swing for home. With Best Asset now increasing its marker to about 8 lengths, and in second comes then Dance Rose with about 100 meters of the race. The program opener belongs to Best Asset, and finally it's Best Asset. Second, close between number 6A Portable and then Dance Rose.